Hey guys, yay! I'm so excited because I've always wanted to try this Lawless collection since last year. I love cherry, vanilla, scents, flavors, like strawberry, like those type of flavor scents. I was like so excited. I was like, yay! They finally gifted me this because I seen people on Instagram receive this package and I'm like, where's mine? I want it. Finally, they sent it to me. If not December, the beginning of January. I'll put it here, I forgot. So I'm very late, yeah. Sorry. So this is how this card phone. So this is how the box looks. Okay. This is all the collection they have. Wow. So they have 4 products, and this is the little card that it comes with. So as you can see, it's very red, pigmented. It looks so pretty. Yeah. And these are all the products it has, and it shows the prices, the description. So wow, this is a new collection, it says. So what is it? Okay, so it has all of these are lip products. Oh wait. And you can purchase it at the Lawless website or Sephora, and I'll put it here. But this brand is one of my favorite lip product brands. It's one of my favorite lip masks. So moisturizing, and it's the scent. It has really great ingredients, so I just love it. The only thing that might be a little is the price. It might be expensive for most people, but it is worth it. So at least try one of their products. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you the products. Okay, so the first one is this mask. Okay, so it's a overnight lip plumper mask. This mask is one of my favorites. I always get happy when I receive this because it is not burning whenever you put this on. Most lip plumping masks burn, but not this. So if you don't like that sensation, then you're gonna love this one. And this is in the cherry vanilla scent. So it smells a little bit like cherry. It's not so overpowering, and it's reddish. It smells good, but not super strong. So smells like candy, or like cherry icy. Have you tried icy? It smells like that. It smells good. I love icy. Like I want to eat it. I've tried their regular plain lip mask, and I've tried their juicy watermelon one. It's kind of like this, but a little bit more pinkish. Smells more like watermelon. I think this one's my favorite out of all of those 3. Scent wise, I'm pretty sure it's gonna have like a sheer pigment. It's not super pigmented, so if you're worried if your lips are gonna look like this, don't trust me. This brand has like a slight scent. It's not super pigmented, so it's just, I'm so excited. Oh yeah. And this fits with the Valentine with the Valentine's theme going on, so it came perfect in a perfect time. Like wow. Like me, I'm single, but if you're gonna try it to kiss your man, put this on and he's gonna love it. He's gonna you smell good. You taste good. Like, okay, maybe not taste, but obviously it's not for eating purposes, but you get what I mean. Okay, like I just can't stop smelling it. It smells very good. So okay, I want to swatch it and then apply it, but listen, let me just open the products first. And it's just, I'm so excited. Okay, so the next product is the lip plumping line smoothing tinted balm stick. It's a really long name, but it's a tinted lip balm in the shade cherry vanilla. I feel like everything is gonna be named cherry vanilla. So I've tried their lip balms and they're the best. They're very moisturizing and soft, and you see it's really bright reddish shade, but it's not like, once you apply it on your lip, it's not really gonna be so noticeable. So this is good for all age types if you don't like super pigmented makeup. So, and it feels super moisturizing on the lips. So it smells good. It smells like that one, but a little bit more less overpowering. It smells good. Okay, it doesn't have a strong vanilla scent. It's more of a cherry icy scent. So I'm excited. Eee! Okay, so the next one is the lip plumping line smoothing gloss. So their glosses are the best too. Like, I love it. It's not sticky, it's not drying, it's moisturizing, but a thick consistency, not super light but not super thick, like in the middle. It's a very good consistency. So it looks like a reddish shade. Yeah, same shade name. So let me open it up. Wow. Ooh. I made a mess. Ooh, it smells like cherry. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so this is like a reddish gloss shade. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed. I love red products. Red lipstick product. Ooh. My lips are drying, so I'm so excited to swatch these. Okay, and the last product they sent me is the forget the filler lip plumping light smoothing gloss. So this one is very big. I've never had their big lip gloss. This is a queen size. Okay. Wow, it's so huge. This is amazing. Yeah, because this is the original size. It's pretty small, so it's the same formula, the same product, except this one's queen size, the big mama size, and this is a little baby size. And I'm so excited because this, I kind of run out of them fast a little, so I appreciate they came out with a super big one, because yeah. So wow, I'm excited. This one is good for every day. Like, you put it in your bag. This one maybe not, but both, wow, are amazing. So that's pretty much it for this box. So now I'm gonna do swatches. Okay, yeah. Okay, I changed my mind. I have to do my nose before doing the product showing unboxing. Yeah, so I'm not gonna do swatches right now, but later on, or I'll insert a clip of me applying them on, like always, instead of here. But yeah, thank you so much, Lawless, for sending me this collection. I'm so excited. So obviously my review, as always, I love their products. They're amazing. This is my favorite line of them so far. I love all of the products they sent me, so thank you so much for this gifted collab opportunity. And yeah, I recommend it, so for sure I say purchase at least one of these products. And yeah, yay, have a happy Valentine's Day, in case I don't do a video whenever that day comes. Yeah, bye. Take care.